Okay, so today I just want to show you that you can connect basically any keyboard or MIDI keyboard which has a USB connector to your Apple Mac. Same applies surely also to your PC. And I use GarageBand now. And so you can choose between different instruments. And of course you could use your keyboard of your Apple as well, but if you have a MIDI keyboard like this, it's easier. And then let's just go to the piano. Maybe makes most sense. So basically, I just want to show you that it's pretty easy to connect such a keyboard. Let's just disconnect it. So it's disconnected now. Then we just connect it back with USB. And it's powered off the USB, the Arturia keyboard. And you see, it already recognized it. It's pretty easy. And then this specific keyboard has a MIDI in and out. You have like dip switches here where you can have different settings, and then you have in and outputs, and you have actually also an additional power supply. Maybe that's if you do not run it off a computer and you want to connect it directly to speakers. Like I have speakers, a sound bar like this one just behind my Apple Mac, so maybe if you could connect it directly just to a sound bar. And as I said, that's just a quick one. I don't want to go into details with that keyboard. I just have it to play around with it a little bit, but I thought I'd just make a short video out of it. And you see with GarageBand, of course, you could most likely change the sound of the keyboard. And any other instrument you choose. Let's just see guitar. And it says Dreamy Air Guitar. Then with this keyboard you have different settings here. I don't want to go into it. It's actually really just about to show you that every USB MIDI keyboard can be connected to an Apple Mac. And then you can play around with it. That's actually the whole purpose of this video. So again, I'll show you around for a second. You see you can manipulate the sound a little bit. Guitars maybe not so good here now. Let's just try to get a different instrument. So basically that's it. Yeah, so I got this one from the local library. I actually really just wanted to know, is it easy to, oh, that sounds like a car horn. Anyway, so I just wanted to know how easy it actually is to connect a keyboard to a computer, in my case an Apple Macintosh, and it appears it's super easy. You do not, at least if you use an Apple, you do not have to install any drivers, no nothing. Plug it in, it plays right away, and it's as simple as that. And now we have GarageBand open, and we have that piano running, and I'm using a soundbar which is connected via USB, via Bluetooth, so we hear the sound better. And so you see you can connect a lot of stuff to your iPhone via USB-C, and as I showed you before, you can also connect a keyboard at the same time, which is not an issue at all. And you could also connect a mouse or so yeah, just in case you didn't know that it's possible, it is possible.